How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the Empty Motor YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be working on the SLK behind me. As I've already went over in a couple of the older episodes, there's a lot of little things that need to get fixed and repaired and, just restored. The car's been left neglected for a very long time, so I wanted to start, going through the process of just getting this car ready for some fun road driving. So go ahead and relax, enjoy. I just wanted to show all of you how easy it is to do some of the work on the cars yourself. That's the point of some of my videos, is just to show you, even on a European car, you can still work on it yourself. You don't always have to take it to a dealership for something as simple as a trunk shock replacement. So I want to show you the step by step and go through all that. It's real simple to do. It's super easy. Usually on older cars, little things go bad over time and need to be replaced. One of them being is the struts or shocks that help push and hold the trunk up. These have been bad on this car for quite a while now, but the car just sits. But as I'm preparing to drive this car more and enjoy it more, I do want to do little things to make things nice. And I've grown quite tired of having to use a piece of wood or a handle or a bar from my jack to hold it up. So it's real simple to do. There's just two shocks, one on each side, and I'll show you right now. Just to show you how dead the shocks on the trunk are, there's literally no support at all. That's not how it's supposed to close. There's a lot of weight. This trunk weighs a lot, so want to get that taken care of. These are one of those days in Nevada that I really do enjoy during the summer. It just was pouring earlier, and now it's maybe about 80-85 degrees, but it's got that Florida humidity, and wasn't ready for that. So as you can see here, I'm sweating it out. So I got the trunk propped up with my super high-tech broom. So you can see here, it's just holding it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this apart. So more or less what you have to do is take these clips off on top and bottom, and these should pop right out. As you can see, once you pull the clip, this whole piece just comes right off. Real easy to do. And then I'm gonna grab the new shock and just put that in. So you repeat the same process for the other side, exact same thing, just pop the clips out and they come up. Again, just a quick recap. All you had to do on the old shocks is use a flathead, pop this metal clip out on both ends, and the shock comes out. Same thing with the other side. And all you have to do when you put the new one in, do not pop the clip out on the new shock. You're just making life harder. These just pop and snap right in. So real quick, real easy to do. And again, while the trunk is up and you are replacing it, if the shocks are dead, use something to prop the trunk up so you know you don't have anything go wrong. And other than that, you're good to go. In the 10 minutes I've been in the garage after finishing the trunk shocks, I am sweating a lot. It's humid like Florida out here, so it's not hot, it's just really humid because it just rained, which I don't mind. It's better than being in an oven in here, so you know, good times. One of the other small things I have to take care of with the SLK today is taking off one wheel to measure the center bore of the new wheels. Currently it does not have any hub rings on it, so I haven't been driving on it because I don't want the, you know, steering wheel wobble. When these wheels were custom machined from a blank bolt pattern and the center bore I guess was a generic size, it's different than their actual production ready to go wheels. So the hub rings that were included aren't the correct ones, but they do want to send me the right ones, so I need to take this off and get that taken care of. I know I lag a little bit, I've been really busy and it's been super hot, but today's a perfect day to work on the car. These are the hub rings that were sent after for the wheels, and these did not work. But I need to compare them and take pictures so that they can send me the right ones. Lug bolts ready off the car, just need to lift the wheel. And see what they are, see what it is. On the center hub, it's actually okay. It's more on the wheel, it doesn't really fit. It's just a little too big. Let me see if there's a way I can hold the wheel on the camera so you guys can see. I want to drop the wheel in its face. Actually, that might work. So, if you look, it's just a little bit too big. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, measure, so I can tell Rotiform what it is exactly. So this is the hub ring size that they sent me. It is a 72.62 to a 66.56. The 66.56 is on the hub for the Mercedes. And I actually still have the box from Rotiform. So, right there, based on this part number, this is a 70mm bore. So they need to send me the correct hub rings, but there you go, I figured it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the car back together and get it back on the ground and torque the wheels down. As you can see here, I have the wheel back on the car. The wheels are torqued, center cap's back on. The trunk shocks are done. Really happy about that. So small little things that I wanted to get wrapped up with this car. Before I end the video, just don't forget, I'm doing the 1K subscriber giveaway for M2 Motoring merch. I have this color shirt minus all my sweat, and also black to give away. And all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, drop likes, comments, and also follow the M2 Motoring Instagram and Facebook page. And that's all you have to do. It doesn't cost you anything. It's totally free. Just want to say thanks and give back to you guys for helping me out and supporting the channel. Until then, you guys take care. See you on the next episode.